Alrighty, folks, so it's time for a Bed Bath & Beyond stock update. We're going to break down the charts, my thoughts, what I'm looking to do, what's going on right now. But before we do that, of course, guys, don't forget to get your free money from Moomoo, the sponsor of today's video. Up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. All you guys got to do is use that link down below or just go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo, open up your account, fund it with at least $100. You get 5 stocks, each up to $2,000 right off the bat, and fund your account with at least $1,000. You get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks. And listen to this, guys. Fund it with at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks for a limited time. You also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, which, guys, this is the best promo by far right now. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you all as always. And with that being said, cheers. Let's dive right into the video. So Bed Bath & Beyond, I'm currently filming, mind you, on Thursday after the bell. So when you're watching this, things might be different. I'm planning on releasing this video Friday morning, but right now, Thursday after the bell, we had Bed Bath & Beyond, and where did it close today? It closed at almost 31 cents, pretty flat on the day, down about not even a penny. Yeah, not even a penny, guys. A fraction of a penny is what it went down today, as again, the stock's trading at almost 31 cents per share. And earlier in the day, guys, we actually got down to about 28.5. You can see that right here. We sold off a good chunk on Thursday morning. It went down about 8% in the first literally half hour. That was not the best sign for the bulls there, but a good sign for the bulls is the fact that they actually recovered the entire loss in the pre-market, or not the pre-market, but the first 30 minutes. They recovered it in the rest of the day, and this is a classic example of the stock market. And you could say the same thing for individual stocks, right? The stock market, individual stocks, they take the staircase up, elevator down. In this case, it was the opposite, right? We took the elevator down, the stairs up, but it's the same thing, right? We saw a huge drop, and the point of that saying is stocks could drop very quickly, very fast, and it takes them a while to go up in a sense, right? So in this case, we saw Bed Bath & Beyond take a huge haircut in the span of 30 minutes, and then it took the rest of the trading day for it to recover that loss. Makes sense, right? That's exactly what ended up happening today, and you guys can see we ended up closing right under the highs from yesterday, and these are some key levels coming up, guys. 31 and a half cents, roughly 32 cents. That's a big spot, and of course, 32.5. Let me draw this out for you all right here. 32.5, 33 cents is a spot that I'm watching here on Bed Bath & Beyond in the very short term. And you could argue we have an ascending triangle here on the intraday chart. Do you guys see that? Higher lows that were made all day today when I'm making this video, but we had resistance at roughly 31.5 all day, and that was the high from Wednesday near the close, right? So BBBYQ needs to break above 31.5 in the very short term, 32 cents. So let me actually set my alert right there right now. And again, when you're watching this video, guys, this is live, it's trading, so it's probably moving, above 32 cents, or maybe we're dumping down under 30 cents. I don't know, but we have to see if we see this ascending triangle fully play out. And from there, maybe Bed Bath & Beyond stock could start making a move to the mid-30s, which if I pull the layers back a little bit on the 5-day, 5-minute, you guys can see mid-30s is it's a big resistance. Actually, the lower mid-30s is where the sticking point is, 33, 34 cents. Then if that were to break, I think we're, clear skies to maybe the mid-high 30s. Then we'll see where it goes from there. Of course, there's a lot going on with Bed Bath & Beyond right now, which we're not really going to get into in this video. This is mostly a technical breakdown. And here on the 30-minute chart, guys, let me clear the drawing set and clear my alerts. I'll set them again after I film this, guys, just to make the picture clear, right? We have a wedge in the making on BBBYQ. Do you guys see that? We have higher lows being made on the 30-minute chart, but at the same time, we have lower highs. So when you're watching this, again, this stock is live. It's trading. Right now, it's not live, but we're going to see what direction, hopefully, we end up picking, right? We have higher lows again, like I said, but at the same time, we have, boom, lower highs being made. So what direction are we going to pick here on the 30-minute chart, guys? Essentially, that's what I'm watching out for. And, it's either we're going to break the low mid 30s and start to push high 30s back to 40 plus, which obviously would be ideal for the bulls, or we're going to fall through maybe 30 cents and start falling under 28 cents, which would be what the bears would want to see. No doubt about it, right, guys? So let me set my alerts again now, but before I forget, guys, because I said I'll do it after this video, but usually when I say that, I forget to do it, then, well, I forget to see how it plays out. So let me see. And mind you guys, when you're watching a ton of stocks, setting alerts is freaking crucial, because you can't possibly, you can't possibly have your eyes on 15 stocks at once. We only have 2 eyes, guys. We can't watch, freaking 25 stocks at once. So if you set your alerts at key levels you're looking at and you have a plan in place kind of in your head, right? It makes things a lot easier. It makes things a lot smoother. So let me set one alert at 34 cents. Mark is at or above. And I'll put another one at, let me see here, maybe 29 cents. Mark is at or below on the downside, to see if we do fall under that wedge, which I'm not banking on, but never say never, guys, especially with a stock like BBBYQ, which of course is probably the most volatile stock that we've talked about here on the channel by far, and it could go to zero. Keep that in mind, guys. This could go to zero, no freaking doubt about it. I mean, for Pete's sake, guys, it is trading OTC right now. It's not even on a reputable exchange. Let's just get that out there, which you guys probably already know at this point in time. You should know at this point in time. It's not on the NASDAQ. It's not on the New York Stock Exchange, right? It is trading OTC over the counter, which means it is very freaking risky, volatile. The volume is thin, thinner than usual. But honestly, there's still a lot of volume for a stock like BBBYQ, which, let me see actually how many shares exchanged hands. Let's see what it says here on ThinkOrSwim. 12.2 million volume for the day. Not bad. Not as much as it was when it first went OTC, but still pretty decent. So yeah, guys, that's a quick breakdown here on Bed Bath & Beyond stock. My alerts are set at 34 cents and 29 cents for now. We'll see what direction we do end up picking. And let me see here what else we have. Let me break down GameStop very quickly. I got some questions in the comments about GameStop, and guys, this is not looking so pretty. Remember, we have a wedge on Bed Bath & Beyond, and we also had a wedge here on GameStop, and by the looks of it, guys, the bears are gaining an edge on GameStop. You guys can see we're falling through the bottom of the wedge. We're now under both moving averages. We have a death cross, and if I pull up the 5-day, 5-minute chart, guys, you can see ever since pretty much the beginning of this month, we've been taking out lows, making lower lows, lower highs. You guys can see right here, and again, we started to break under that wedge, and really today was rough. I mean, when I'm filming this video on Thursday, GameStop went down 4.5%, and on Wednesday it went down as well. So this is starting to slip. We're not looking so pretty on the 5-day, on the 30-minute, and on the 4-hour chart, guys, which if I pull this up, you guys can see we're starting to fall under the moving averages on this. We're falling under the wedge as well. Not the best sign overall for GameStop. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and I might as well just wrap up the video here. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button. Make sure to subscribe if you want to see more content like this, and do not forget to get your free money from Moo, guys, up to 16 stocks, each up to $2,000. All you guys have to do is use that link down below, or just go to stocksurfest.com/Moo, open up your account, fund it with at least $100, and you get 5 stocks right off the bat. And if you fund your account at least $1,000, you get 10 more stocks, totaling 15 stocks, again, each up to $2,000. And listen to this, guys, the best part of the promo: if you fund your account at least $5,000 on top of those 15 stocks you already got, you also get a free share of either Tesla stock or Google, guaranteed, which that part of the promo runs out in a couple of days here, guys. So use that link down below. And of course, that is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. I appreciate you guys. As always, check out my Patreon or the YouTube channel membership as well, link down below. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys later.